What's going on, YouTube? So, now that my brother's truck is up and running, it's doing pretty good. Next thing we're gonna do we're gonna install a nitrous kit. So, shouldn't be that hard of a job. I don't even think he's gonna use it officially. It's still gonna be slow anyways. But yeah, right now we're just getting all our tools ready, all that good stuff. But I'm gonna cut it off real quick and we're just gonna get to it. Like I said, man, anything you guys need, if you want to learn how to do this kind of stuff yourself, I don't even know how to do this kind of stuff myself. My brother's a master mechanic. But yeah, we're gonna dive right into it. We should be hooking it up officially. I just don't think he's gonna use it. So in terms of testing the integrity of the system that we do, we're just gonna have to figure that out later, man. But nonetheless, here we go. Let's get to it.
I'm not repeating myself.
Well, we're under the hood. We're putting this nitrous kit.
Right now, I'm just looking for a position to put my solenoids where I'm comfortable with them being at. It's nothing big. You can put them wherever you want. But you do have a certain amount of length that comes with these universal kits where to put the lines. So I'm just gonna put the fuel right here. Basically, I'm just tapping into the pressure to check the pressure of the fuel.
Where you hook up your
And going straight there to the injection. Then I have the nitrous solenoid. I'm gonna probably put it on this side. I'm gonna run the nitrous line down here all the way down to the bed of the truck. So then I'm just pretty much seeing where to put them and drilling a hole. It should be, I think it's about 6 inches from the throttle body. So roughly around here is where I'm gonna go with the hole. Let's get it done. Blinker fluid headlights.
How long does a job like this usually take you, bro?
It doesn't take that long. It's pretty easy. Simple.
Can this cam handle boost? Are you gonna use it? You gonna use
It's
it?
not boost, it's nitrous.
Well, it's boost, right? No way.
Yep. This camera can handle anything you throw at it. It's the rest of the engine I'm worried about.
Are you gonna use this boost? This nitrous?
Of course.
Run her till she blows, bro. Send it. Send it.
Just drilling a hole for the injection nozzle. Try and get it as tight as possible so you won't have no leaks and you won't have extra air suction that you don't need. So as tight as possible. So poke at this hole 10 times and go too big. There she is, good and tight. Pretty much how it's gonna look. Still need to put the needles in there to determine the shot of nitrous I want. Overall, not a bad little setup. Let's throw on some line. That's one. Now that I got this, probably gonna lift up the truck right now and see how far this line reaches. Hopefully it goes all the way to the edge of the bed, because I have a permanent tunnel cover pretty much that I want to be removing or crawling under just to get to this nitrous bottle whenever it needs refilling.
Nitrous and the cat. And 2-0 on the way.
Think I'll reach the bed? Fuck no, huh?
Where are you running it?
Huh? Through the bottom of the frame?
Will it reach the bed? What part of the bed?
The edge.
The edge that way or the edge this way?
The edge all the way to the back.
Oh yeah, no, definitely. Probably not.
Can you grab the edge of the line and pull it?
Where's it at?
It should be just right under the door.
I'm pulling. pulling, but with not a whole lot of success.
Pull harder.
Oh, fuck. I was stuck on something.
Did it get unstuck?
I got unstuck. Eh? Who's coming? Cielo Mob. Cielo Mob on the way.
El padre.
El padre.
El padre.
So now you're just trying to run this line to the back of your truck all the way to the edge, right?
Hopefully.
All right. That's the goal. That's the plan, at least. What a beautiful day, dude. All right, so lines are all hooked up. Already tapped into the intake. Ran the bottle line, bottom of the truck. Then up the bed. And here she is. Nitrous coming soon.
Real soon.
That's it for now. We just got to tighten down some lines. Throw some self-taps in there.
And order a perch kit.
You're going to purge it?
Okay, I want a perch kit.
He wants a purge kit, ladies and gentlemen.